Hey guys, what's up? Today I am going to show you how to make a delicious fresh tomatoes and basil soup. We can call it the Italian soup, using these amazing tomatoes and fresh basil to make a crazy simple soup with my H3000 juicer by Froothie. And I never made a soup actually with the juicer before. And this has the hot plate. The H3000 comes with the hot plate, so you can make it hot and it's gonna be like super quick. So I really wanted to try this out. So as you can see, I am just putting the tomatoes in and they are juicing. Also, I am throwing in some basil leaf straight away because I want the juice, so it's gonna have a more pungent flavor and more strong, and I love basil. But if you don't want to juice the leaves straight, you are free to add the basil just at the end. So I did juice quite a few tomatoes. I think it was around 300 grams. And this soup, I keep calling it juice, but it's not a juice. It's a soup. But it's tricky because it's made with a juicer. So that's why it's tricky. So what I'm doing now is just disassembling the juicer, and I'm going to get the rest, that thing that you are seeing now, of the pulp. I don't want to waste it, so I'm just gonna throw it in the soup. And then I gave a quick clean to the hot plate to make sure that it was clean, no water, as it can burst. And now I just turned on the hot plate. To turn it on, you just press 5 seconds the hot plate button. It will tell you 5 seconds. This is the pulp that is remaining from the tomatoes and the basil that I just juiced, and you can use that to make a nice tomato sauce for your pasta or whatever you prefer, or you can throw it away or in your compost if you don't want to use it. So the hot plate is on. Don't touch it because it's freaking hot, and it's gonna take no time to heat up, and the soup is ready. And I'm just gonna stir the pulp that I throw in at the end, and I throw in that pulp because I want my soup to be a little bit thicker, but you can choose your consistency and how you prefer your soup. And there you go, you have fresh raw soup. You can, if it's summer, you can just not turn on the hot plate and you have your soup to go, made with a juicer. How amazing was that? And that soup, I'm gonna taste it now, and it was delicious. I had that for dinner, and I do suggest to try this because it's an amazing tip. It's super quick and it's just amazing. Let me know if you tried it. Ciao!